Namaste, this is Samta Auntie. In this video, we are going to practice a conversation question. How to ask someone, which things do you like? For example, which food do you like? Or which movies do you like? Or which colors do you like? And so many more things that we can ask about. For parents watching this video, please keep in mind that it's for young children or very beginners to Hindi. So as not to confuse students, I am not going to teach the inflected versions of prepositions and other words. I'm only going to teach one way to say this phrase and this question. And as your child gets deeper into their understanding of Hindi, they will learn the grammar and other forms of how to change some of the words around so that they're grammatically correct. So let's ask someone, which sports do you like? The way we would say that is, आपको कौन सा sports पसंद है? आपको कौन सा sports पसंद है? Let's do it again and say it with me. आपको कौन सा sports पसंद है? Now let's do, which movies do you like? In Hindi, movies are called films. So it would be, आपको कौन सा film पसंद है? Let's do it again. आपको कौन सा film पसंद है? Now let's do, which colors do you like? In Hindi, colors are called rang. But you can also just say colors for now to make it easier. So it would be, आपको कौन सा colors पसंद है? आपको कौन सा colors पसंद है? Let's do, which food do you like? In Hindi, food is khana. Now for this one, I'd like you to use the word khana instead of food. Why? Because khana is such a common word that you probably even knew that word before watching this video. And we use the word khana all the time in Hindi. So this is a good word for you to know. So let's do it. Which food do you like? आपको कौन सा खाना पसंद है? Again, आपको कौन सा खाना पसंद है? Now let's do, which cars do you like? In Hindi, car is gaadi. Now you can use the word gaadi or just use cars if it's simpler for you. For this one, let's see if you can put it together without seeing the words. I'm going to give you a few seconds to think about it. Let's take a look. I hope you said, आपको कौन सा गाड़ी पसंद है? आपको कौन सा गाड़ी पसंद है? So what's awesome about this is that now you have a question that you can use for anything. Just fill in the blank line with whatever you want to ask about. For example, now we're doing shoes. If we wanted to say, आपको कौन सा जूते पसंद है? Which shoes do you like? Let's do toys. आपको कौन सा toys पसंद है? Let's do superheroes. आपको कौन सा superheroes पसंद है? And again, a note for the parents that are listening. This video is for young children and very beginners to Hindi. So it's intended for students that have not learned Hindi grammar. So even though which cars do you like should be आपको कौन सी गाड़ियाँ पसंद है, and which movies do you like should be आपको कौन सी फिल्में पसंद है, and other examples in this whole workbook that have inflections, I'm not teaching those right now because the point is to get these kids to speak Hindi. And if I bog them down with grammar, it'll be confusing and overwhelming. So for right now, I'm just teaching आपको कौन सा, fill in the blank, पसंद है. So again, बच्चों, you have one question that you can use for anything. Just fill in the blank line with whatever you want to ask about. आपको कौन सा, fill in the blank, पसंद है. Today you've come one step closer in your Hindi journey by asking an engaging question to others that will encourage them to speak to you in Hindi and will encourage you to speak more Hindi as well. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.